Welcome back to the channel. This is DIY Nader Tater, and today I am replacing some cyber cement siding that's on my house. Instead of replacing all of it with vinyl, I'm just going to be patching the bad spots. The first thing you'll want to do is carefully take out the old siding. Be careful, there are some dangerous stuff in this old siding, so try not to break it as you remove it. The kit that I'm going to buy has replacement flashing, but if the old stuff is still good, you can leave it in there. Here is the new siding replacement kit I got. It includes the siding, some nails, and a bunch of flashing pieces if needed. I'll include an Amazon link in the description. All right, now the fun part, installing the new pieces. The most important thing is to make sure that the piece of siding is up level with the existing row. When the short side is running vertical with the other pieces of siding, put a nail in and then take a level and make sure that your row is running level with the new siding. Before installing the last nail, make sure you can fit that flashing up very nice to make the water from going inside of the home. All right, now to install the cut piece. So you can cut this multiple different ways. You can score and cut. You can use a diamond tip blade on your circular saw. Whatever you have will probably work. Just be careful to measure twice and cut once. Make sure the cut end goes into the flashing and the factory end touches the previous siding. Make sure everything is plumb and level and nail those nails in and you're good to go. This siding came pre-primed, and so you are ready to grab a paintbrush and get to painting. Let's make this look good. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. Please like and subscribe.